Today I will be showing you guys the cube bag I bought from AliExpress. It only cost £8, so let's get into it. So the last videos I showed you that I unboxed 4 of my new cubes, and now I have 7, and you have a belt that you can attach to the bag, and here's the inside. Don't think you can see that, but there's a bag, and you can put some cubes in here. So let's get into it. So first, my GAN 5x5. So this cube is big and it can fit in here. So it can fit the 5x5. Alright, so first let's just get all the cubes out. So the 5x5, next up is the 4x4. Oh my god. 4x4, 5x5, and then next is the GAN 16. Next is the GAN 15. Okay, next is the GAN Pyramid. Alright, I got a lot of cubes, so I definitely needed a bag. So I think you can fit just 8 cubes. So I'm gonna order another cube. And then finally the GAN 2x2. That's the end of the cubes. Oh my god, I literally got so much. Alright, anyways, I can put one of my cubes. My 2x2, it's hard to squeeze it in, actually. So, if you can see, I squeezed my white little case in. Then I need the GAN 13. Alright, this is so hard to put in. Then the GAN 15. Then I got just enough space to put the GAN 16. Then that's the first layer done. Then I can bend it up. Then put my GAN 4x4. Then I can squeeze in my 5x5. Then I can just fit my GAN Pyramid cube. I don't know if it can fit. Oh, okay. And then when I close it up, that's a neat bag. And it's actually quite neat. Alright, so we need to put some accessories in here. Because there's a holder in here. So, maybe let's place all the cards in there. All the cards. So I put this, and then so I've got the GAN 3x3 SIM card, and the 15, and the 16, 5x5, and the 4x4. So I'm gonna just align these. Align it. There. All in one pan. And then next, place it in. Alright, now I'm gonna place the tensioning tools in. But first, let's place the bags in as well. So, and 16's done. The 2x2 has this bag and the tensioning system for that. Alright, and then now I have the 2x2 and that's done. So this, wait a sec guys, this bag is actually quite good. It's so good, this bag. And finally, no, not finally, the tensioning tool and the GAN bag for the 15. Then I've got it in here. Then I've got these two in. Then finally, the GAN 13. Oh my god. Alright, GAN 13. And then, not of all, the GAN pyramid. Okay, so that's a lot of things to put in again. So, sorry to keep you bothered. This is the GAN 2x2. 2x2. This is the GAN 13 bag. Why? It's all the same. And up to the 15, which is also the same until the GAN 16, which changed. Then the 4x4 is literally the same again. Then the GAN 5x5 is just the same with some rings around it. Got 6 cube pouches. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 other tool thingies, which I'm gonna put in. And then these tensioning tools, I'm gonna put in here. And then zip it up. That's everything in there. And then I'm gonna place this in order because I don't want it to get mixed up. So the GAN 2x2, 3x3, the GAN 515, the GAN 16. I just noticed the GAN 16 pouch bag is actually more bigger than the 4x4 than the 5x5. I do actually have a lot of these cube bags. And place these in here. Place them in here. And if you now see, alright, I have to bring my camera up. If you now see, there it is. So I put the cube pouches here and all the cubes. And if you unzip this, you can see these SIM cards and the tensioning tool system. So that's the bag. And then when I zip it up, here is a pretty neat bag. and it's actually quite light. And at the start of the video, I showed you that there's this belt that goes around it as well, and there's this two little things at each end, and you simply just, this is not simple, oh my god, just click it in, and the other end as well, there we go, and then the cube bag is ready. Alright, so see you guys next time. Bye. Please like and subscribe because I'm trying to get the gold plate. So please like and subscribe, and please do comment as well. And bye.